Do you want to start a successful YouTube channel this year, but you don't know where to begin? In this video today, I'll be breaking down the exact step-by-step strategy that I use to create my YouTube channel, to optimize my YouTube channel, to grow my YouTube channel, and start making money from my videos even before I get up to 1,000 subscribers, even before I join YouTube partnership program, and now I am at over 40,000 subscribers. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijaparigang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So today I'll be sharing with you the exact blueprint that can help you to grow your YouTube channel this year. So the first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is define your niche. You need to know who are your target audience. For you to have a YouTube channel, that means you are expecting that you'll be creating videos and people will come to watch. So who are you targeting? What do you want to talk about on your YouTube channel is the first thing you need to do before you even start creating your YouTube channel, because knowing your target audience is going to help you a lot, so that you will know the kind of problem they might be encountering, the next right video to create, the kind of product you can sell, the kind of offer you can bring up, and all that. So after you have created your own niche, and if you want a deeper video on how to create a successful niche, I have this video. You can go watch it. I'll drop it in the description of this video. So the second step to creating a successful YouTube channel is setting up your channel. It is very important. So I'm going to show you how to do that successfully. So if you are new, you don't even have a YouTube channel or anything, all you need to do is create a Google account. So if you have a Google account, that means you can have your YouTube channel. Then you now go on YouTube, then you click on create channel. When you click on create channel, that is how you create your own channel. And once you create your channel, if you click on create, you will see it will give you option, either the name, automatically the name you use in creating that Google will be your YouTube channel name. Then you can now just edit it. The moment you click on that create channel, you can either edit that name or write or leave it the way it is. Like, I always suggest that you use your name from the beginning. Maybe later you can change, except if already you have a niche. Why it is important that you use your own name in your YouTube channel is because as you grow, what you start right now might not be what you would want to keep talking about. So it will help you to be flexible when you use your name, okay? But you can also use any other name that you want. So when you create your channel, the next thing you need to do is to add a profile picture. And when adding your profile picture, ensure you use a beautiful, clear picture that is catchy. Use a quality photo, okay? Then the next thing you need to do is to create a channel banner. This is what channel banner is all about. So if you are interested in a practical video on how to create a thumbnail and a channel banner like this using Canva, let me know in the comment section. If I have up to 5 people that are interested, I will create a practical video showing you how to create a YouTube banner and YouTube thumbnail. You can actually do that on Canva with your mobile phone. So the next thing you need to do in creating a successful YouTube channel is to ensure your about section, you put it there, so let people know what you are about, so that whenever anybody come new to your YouTube channel should know what you are about. And then the next thing you need to do in creating is to add your social link, add your link to TikTok, to YouTube, or to your email. Very important, add your email. And when you're adding email, please, in your about, don't add the email that you use in opening your YouTube channel, so that in case later anybody want to scam you, they cannot know, or they want to hack your YouTube channel. The email you use in creating your YouTube channel, keep it safe. Don't use it for other things, please. That is very, very important. So once you are done creating your YouTube channel, the step number 3 is creating content. So before you go ahead to create content, you need to know the type of content you are creating. Is one thing for you to know your niche, is another thing to know the kind of content you are creating. So you should know the content you'll be creating. Is it educational? Is it storytelling? Is it practical tutorials? Is it vlog, lifestyle? You need to know. So when you know the kind of content you are going to be creating, that will help you to know how to optimize your YouTube channel, optimize your video, which is the next step. So the first step is optimizing your YouTube channel. So how do you optimize your videos on your YouTube channel? Is, let's say you have decided, okay, my content is going to be educational content. So you need to use some tools that will help you, which I use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. You can also use the free version that can help you in your optimization. And again, if you want practical video on showing you how to optimize your videos, that's SEO, like search engine optimization, comment, search engine optimization, that is SEO. So that I will do a practical video showing you how I optimize my content on social media. So as you create your video, you need to optimize it, knowing the exact keyword that you need to use, because when you use vidIQ or TubeBuddy or you use both, you'll be able to know the kind of title that is trending in that niche. You will know the kind of word you are going to put in your description of the video. You will know the tags that you will be using. You will know the kind of thumbnail that you will create that will be so catchy and all that. So after you create your video, you optimize your video, and then the next thing is to upload. So to upload a video is very easy. All you need to do is to click on this plot sign and then upload your video. So once you upload your video, of course, you optimize it. And then the next step in creating or growing your successful YouTube channel is to promote. That this is a place that a lot of people used to get it wrong. The truth is, as you create that video, you don't create it for yourself. You create it because you want people to watch your video, right? So you need to actively promote your video. Some people, they will just create, they just post. In fact, they feel shy. So if you yourself, you are not proud of what you create, is it others that you want them to come and be proud of you? So you need to advertise your videos, you need to promote your videos, post it on your Facebook page, post it on your wall. If you have friends, send it to them that you have started your YouTube channel, or if you create a new video, you promote it. You need to actively promote it. One place I love promoting my videos is on TikTok. Even though these days, because of my productivity, I had to like delete the app, and my account is still there, deleted for productivity. But let me just give you an instance. If I want to drive people from TikTok now to my video, this current video that I'm doing, all I need to do, I will just go to one viral sound, I will just dance and do like this. So when I dance like this, I will just say how to start a successful YouTube channel. If I do like this, I will say define your niche. If I do like this, I will say set up your channel. If I do like this, I will say create your content. I will do like this, I will say optimize. I will do like this, promote your channel. I will do like this, monetization strategy. I will now do like this. I will now show for detailed video on this. Go to my YouTube channel, check the link in my bio. That video, even if it is 5 people that come from TikTok to come and watch my video, come to my channel on YouTube, YouTube will be happy that, okay, something is happening. For people to come from other platforms to come watch this video, let us carry this video more. So the higher people come from other platforms to watch your video on YouTube, the more YouTube will push out your content. So it is very important you learn to promote your videos, most especially if you are a beginner. The next step in growing a successful YouTube channel is monetization strategy. Yes, so a lot of people get discouraged when it comes to YouTube because you need to get up to that 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers before you join the partnership program on YouTube for you to start getting paid as people watch your content. But you can actually make money on YouTube even before YouTube start paying you, like from your content. That's why from the beginning I say you need to define your niche to know the kind of people that are watching. Let's say now, if I have a PDF at the end of this video and I said I have a detailed or practical video about 5 videos that I will give you for only 1,000 naira, you can imagine how many people that will come to buy. So even if I'm not monetized, I can make money off my videos. And I remember back then, some years ago during the pandemic, when I was creating more video on starting a POS business. That time my channel was not monetized yet. I don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, but you know, I was making so much off YouTube because of the kind of content I was creating. The moment I started how to start a POS business in Nigeria. The next thing I did is I create a PDF, I think 12 or 16 pages, and I was selling it for 1,000 naira. I need to see how many people were buying. I published it on Amazon. People were buying. As people are watching that video, they are buying. People start asking me, we need your contact. I now said, for you to talk with me for 1 hour, or this is the amount of money you pay to ask me any question about the business. And that is how people started booking me back to back to just talk to them about the POS business I'm talking. So to others back then, my YouTube channel was not monetized, but I was still making money. So you need to have strategies in place, and you cannot have this kind of strategy if you don't know exactly who you are serving. And on the street of the YouTube, it's not just all about how many views you are having. You can have less view, but you make a lot of money. There are some videos that I will have less than 300 views, but the conversion and the amount of money I will make based on how specific that video is and the people that are watching, the exact targets that I targeted for that video, you will not even be able to imagine it. Another way you make money from your YouTube channel even before you get monetized is using affiliate link. Like in this video now, I mentioned vidIQ, I mentioned TubeBuddy. If I drop the link to TubeBuddy or vidIQ and 1 or 2 persons join, there is free version, and if any other person decide, okay, I will do for the paid version, that means I'll get a commission for that. So you need to promote also affiliate link. Another way, again, you can even create UGC content, that's user generated content. You can even there are people that are getting brand deals even with 500 subscribers, and I've done a lot of videos on UGC content creation and how you can reach out to brand to create content for them. You can start getting brand deals. Yes, brands started reaching out to me. POS companies that started coming in, then even at 500 subscribers, they started reaching out to me so that I can mention their POS in my videos, and I was getting paid. So there is different ways you can actually make money on this YouTube thing. So I want to see the number of people that are interested. The more you engage with this my content, the more you drop a comment, you ask question, the more I will make more video about growing your YouTube channel. And I have this video. If you already have a YouTube channel but you are not getting views, there are some mistakes you are making, so you can watch this video as well so that you can learn to make your videos go viral, have more views, and if you are making that mistake, you can also stop it. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section. I want to start going live, but if I go live, it's only people that are in the community that can watch me live, meaning if you have not subscribed to my channel, you will not be able to join my live stream. And on that live stream, you can be able to ask me questions, and as time goes on, I'll start reviewing upcoming content creators, upcoming YouTubers, their channel on my live stream, so that if you come, you join, you engage, you comment, I will pick 2, 3, 4 persons, review your channel, tell you what is going on, tell you what you are doing wrong, and so that we can grow and be making this money more and more on YouTube. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.